Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did this look very simple for you guys to follow. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and obviously check out my Instagram, Makeupbyhiildaa, where I have way more looks to show you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's very easy. I try to make it as easy as possible for those of you that are just starting doing shadow and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one. Hi guys, so I'm going to start. I want to do something easier for you guys to follow. I'm going to use just the basic colors on the James Charles palette. I want to do a very soft yet glam look for you guys to follow, and with a lot less steps. So, you can keep that. I can kick back, ease up, baby, just bit me till I bled. What the fuck, king shit, girl, you know you made my heart skip. Oh yeah, boom body got my hands firm grip. Very important, you guys, to help with your pigmentation and blending. Do not set your base. Just tap it on and leave it as is. So no putting powder over it. So I'm gonna start with the shade that's 10 off on the James Charles palette. And I'm just gonna go and place a color. A little bit above where my nose is. Just because I do have hooded eyes, so basically this is where my crease holds. Right here. So I'm putting it above it. And don't worry about blending at this point, just tap in that color. Just kind of press it in. I'm just gonna go in with a Morphe M514. What am I saying? And then I'm gonna go in with Code James. So I'm using the shade Code James, which is a little bit lighter than the other one, and just kind of helping me blend. And this time I'm kind of like extending it. Okay, with the Morphe E27, I'm going to go in with that shade Tune and just go above those two colors to help blending them in there. This is what I'm going to do with the eyes. And then I'm going to use a pigment. And this is, hold on. I'm going to use this pigment from P. Louise. And it's called A Hint of Desire. So I'm going to take that pigment. And then I'm going to spray it with my spray. Every time I see ya, I ain't living till the morning. What you got is over me. So after that pigment is on there, I'm just gonna use CoverGirl liquid liner, and I'm just gonna do a line. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything. Basically lining the shape of my eye. This type of this is Sigma small angle brush, and I'm just gonna use that black shade on the palette, in the palette Spooky, and I'm just gonna kind of go on top of that eyeliner. What you got is over me. And that's basically what I'm gonna do with the eyes. And then I'm gonna use these lashes from Lash Nation. I'm gonna go do my other eye and my brows, and then I'll be right back. Face with this Mario Badescu spray. Moisturizing this Clinique. And today I'm gonna be using my new Juno and Co. in Rose. So I haven't used this one, it's brand new. So I'm gonna use it and see what I think. It feels moisturizing, which is good. Feels kind of tacky, which is also good for me. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using foundation mixed with a little bit of ColourPop. Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I grabbed the shade 230. And I'm also going to use the new Fenty powder to set everything. And this powder, I do feel like it's kind of like tightening all over. I'm going to use my Malibu Pro Matte. And for the powder from Fenty, I bought the butter one. So I think it's a lighter shade, if I'm not mistaken. So after all those powders, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Nissan. So like this, Morphe E04.
Baby, just bit me till I bled. What the fuck? King shit. Girl, you know you made my heart skip. Oh yeah. Boom body got my hands firm grip. And I know. Speed it up, beat it up.
Then I'm going to go in with highlighter. Today I'm using again another new product that I bought, which is this e.l.f. Jelly highlighter in Bubbly. So I kind of just like take it with my finger, rub out the excess with my finger, and then like kind of put it on the back of my hand. Kind of like work the product on there. And I'm going to use my favorite highlighter, which is that I use the colors Soulmate. And I'm just going to go on top of that jelly highlighter. Too Faced Baby Blush. And off. Code James.
Every time I see you, I ain't leaving till the morning.
Waterline.
What you got is so every time I see you, I ain't leaving till the morning.
And then that same pencil that I use for the top liner, I'm gonna smoke it downwards very close to the No Bean shade. Really smoke that bottom line.
Girl, you know you make my heart skip. Oh yeah, boom body got my hands firm grip, and I know. Speed it up, beat it up, bring you close, be your love. Clout bitches from the club, you can keep that. Got me a dime, mommy, I can
see ya, I ain't leaving till the morning. What you got is over me. Every time I see ya, I ain't leaving till the morning.